To draft a sleeve here, I'm going to once again refer to this measurement chart. Right here, we have the shoulder length right here divided by 2 equal 19. So that's going to be the sleeve width. And then the sleeve length over here will be 56 based on a measurement. And I'm going to show you the formula to draft the sleeve. This is the formula that I'm going to use to draft the sleeve. So first step, we are going to create 1/2 of the sleeve. Then step 2, we will make a copy and then unfold it. Okay, so the formula, 19 is the shoulder length divided by 2, that is 19. And 11 is where we're going to create the sleeve cap. And here, the internal line, we want to create one is 9.5 and the other one, which is 13, that is the sleeve circumference. And right here, we want to create the sleeve hem, which is 0.7 from the bottom up. So it will make a lot of sense when I start drafting. So first of all, I'm going to create a fabric here, 19, and I'm going to press on the tab key, and then will be 56. Then I'm going to click on OK. Next, I'm going to grab the Edit Pattern tool, then click on right here, right click, select Offset as internal line, and reduce it to 1, and I'm going to type in 11. After that, let's just move this out of the way so we can see internal lines go. Okay, so by default, this reverse direction box is checked. We want to uncheck that. As you can see, internal line went the other way. We don't want that. We want it come down here. So I'm going to click this box right here to uncheck. Now you can see this internal line came to this opposite direction, and that's what we want. I'm going to click on OK to confirm. Next, we want to create 2 more internal lines right here. So right click, offset as internal line, and I'm going to create 2. So the first internal line will be 9.5. Then the tab key, this is going to be 13. So 13 is a wrist circumference, and 9.5 is just part of the formula to create the perfect sleeve cap curve. Okay, so be sure the distance is individual. The offset from a selected line. After that, I'm going to click on OK. Okay, we're almost done. We need to create one more internal line from here. So click on it, right click, select offset as internal line. Then this time instead of 2, we're going to change to 1. And I'm going to type in the value of 0.7. And after that, be sure the option reverse direction box is unchecked. Then click on OK. Okay, let me zoom in a little closer so we can see it better. Next, I'm going to use the internal polygon slash line tool. I'm going to begin clicking one right here, then click one over here, and then come down here. Just zoom it in, click one right here on this top right there, okay? See right here, that's the one we want. Then I'm going to come down here, and then we want to click this one on this edge of the fabric right there. Then I'm going to press return enter on the keyboard to confirm. Okay, so by the way guys, this drafting pattern method also work with hand drafting. Instead of using this fancy tool in Clo, we would use marker or a tailor chalk to draw a line. However, with technology, we get to use this fancy tool to create any pattern, to draw any line we want, much easier. However, we have to know this tool. If you already know the tool, perfect. Alright, so get back to pattern drafting. We are going to switch a tool to this Edit Curvature tool. Come over here to this 2D toolbar and select this Edit Pattern tool here and come to this Edit Curvature tool. Click on it. I'm going to click on that line right there and then drag it up. Just like that. It's quite clunky right now, but we will make it better, I promise. So I'm going to zoom down here a little bit. We want to curve this a little bit too. Just a little bit. After that, I'm going to do the same over here. Click on that line. Then I'm going to click on this handle and then drag it down until it's level up to the line over here, as well as it's in it from this wrist circumference. After that, I'm going to come over here and click on this handle and then click to the right until it reaches this line right here and level with the fabric edge. So as you can see right here, we just create this perfect sleeve cap curve on the sleeve. I'm going to click one on the page to these legs.